I was at a conference where the speaker made the comment that change is only difficult for those who are not prepared. I've given that statement a bit of thought, and I don't agree with that. I think that change can be difficult even when it's positive change. I only have to think back to the birth of our first child, and I was very prepared. We were very prepared. We bought the book, What to Expect When You Were Expecting. We purchased every single item on the list and put it in its rightful spot, and yet, when he arrived, there was a period of transition. I think the same is true in our work environments, whether we're moving to a new department, taking on a new role, adjusting to a new coworker, learning a new computer program, that there is a period of transition. And what we need to do for ourselves in that transition is get the support that we need, be patient with ourselves, take on as much learning and education as we possibly can, and trust the process that we are going to learn and we are going to come out on the other side.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.